Hi, welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in an Audi car key. If your Audi car key looks like this particular key is from the 2014 Audi A4, then the process is very straightforward. If you turn the key over, you'll see this button towards the top centre. Press that down and pull. The top of the key will come off, revealing your emergency key. Put that to one side. Some Audi keys have two buttons on either side of the key. You depress those and pull the top of the key off in the same manner. If you now turn the key over, you'll find a second depressible button. Press that down, pull again, and it will reveal the battery holder. If you remove the battery from the holder, you'll find that it's a CR2032 3-volt battery. These are widely available. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. I'm going to replace it with a Duracell battery. If you do the same, there's a sticker on the back that tells you not to swallow the battery. So don't eat the battery, just remove the sticker. Then you need to align the positive side of the battery with a positive marker, so put it face down and then simply click the battery holder back into position and then slide your emergency key back into the housing and you'll hear it click into position. So let's take it outside and test it. Perfect. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, leave a thumbs up. Any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. I'll see you soon.